State Park in New York. Today we are going to do the #1 ranked trail on all trails, the Bear Mountain Loop. It is 3.8 miles and it's about 1,154 feet of elevation. We brought Tucker and Chase along for the hike.
Here we go. So they recommend that you do this loop trail counterclockwise. The first part of the trail starts off on paved blacktop, which is very nice on the knees. You walk alongside this nice lake. I believe it's Hessen Lake or something like that. So it's about the middle of May and a little bit muggy, but should be a good hike.
We did this hike once before a few years ago, but we didn't bring the dogs because it was the summer and it was like 90 degrees. So it's only supposed to be at about 70 today. It's May 13th. It's actually Friday the 13th, yikes. But we brought them both along. It's not supposed to be too hot. It's a little humid, but I think they'll be okay. We have lots of water. It's dog friendly. Just make sure your dog is on a leash.
So when you're doing this loop counterclockwise, to turn up the mountain, you got to go to the Major Welch Trail continuation, and it takes you right up those stairs right there. There you go, stay. Or just go right through the water. Thanks, buddy. You are the best. This way.
There you go.
Tuck this way. Yep.
Right through the water.
Yeah. A bit steep over here. It's more like a scramble than a hike. How'd you do, Chase?
Good job, bud.
So there's definitely some scrambling going on. And Chase is a ninja puppy. Rock scramble puppy.
Ninja Chase. Good job, Tucker. Yay. Just a heads up, the bugs on this trail are absolutely brutal. We actually stopped to put bug spray on, but we're still getting eaten alive, so bring bug spray and be prepared to battle them. We officially made it to the top, and we are standing in front of Perkins Tower. View from the top.
Greetings from the top of Bear Mountain.
Time to head back down. If you do this trail counterclockwise like we did, you have to take the Appalachian Trail on the way down. So that's what we're doing now.
So on the way down, it's a lot better marked trail. As you can see, it's a very nicely kept trail. You are on the Appalachian Trail, or part of it, when you're going down. And honestly, there's some really good views of the Hudson River from a couple little outlooks, so make sure you're attentive for that. Like I told you before, be attentive for the outlooks, and this is one of them. All I can say is you got a beautiful view of the Hudson River, Hudson Valley, and it is amazing. You got a bench over there to enjoy it, but it is absolutely gorgeous.
I guess I take way too many pictures for Gary. He just took both dogs and just left me. So now I have to catch up. But loving these views. Good news, I just caught up to them. We are almost there. What are you looking forward to most, Gary? Dinner or a shower?
Shower and margarita.
We are very sweaty right now. It is hot. So we are just finishing up the trail now. We made it back to the lake. It took us about 3 hours round trip. That was with a lot of stops for pictures and videos and some snacks at the top. But we definitely had an awesome day. It was amazing to take Tucker and Chase with us. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. More adventures are coming soon.